Hello dear students, today's e-learning session of Rashastra is about Giri Sindur, which lies on 6th place in Sadharan Rasa Dravyas. Giri Sindur is a controversial drug. Views of scholars are different regarding its origin, chemical composition and use. So in the presentation, all these points will be discussed to have a clear picture. It is generally asked as a short note in examination. Introduction. So, what is Giri Sindur? महागिरिषु चालपीयः पाषाणान्तः स्थितो रसः शुष्कशोणः निर्दिष्टो गिरिसिन्दूरसंज्ञयः. It is a reddish powder similar to sindoor and found in very minute quantities in between the rocks of big mountains. Actually, between the fissures of the rocks situated in very high mountains, mercury is available. This mercury reacts with the oxygen of atmosphere and turn into a reddish dry powder known as Giri Sindur. So it is probably a compound of mercury and oxygen and occurs in traces in mineral form mixed with other minerals. Under topic Parat, you might have read different ores of mercury. Among those, one is montroidite, a mineral of mercury oxide. Giri Sindur has a close resemblance with it, and many scholars say that montroidite is Giri Sindur. It contains a few particles of free mercury also. These free particles of mercury are responsible for its shining. History. We don't have any reference of Giri Sindur in Vrihatrayi or any other Chikitsa Grantha before 8th century. Description is available in Ras texts. Synonyms. I have divided the synonyms into two categories. In first category, there is only one synonym, that is Rakta Renu. Renu means particle. So Rakta Renu means particles of red color. In second category, synonyms are Mahila Bhal Bhushan, Nag Garbhaj, Nagaj, Ganesh Bhushan, Mangalya and Bhal Sobhagya. Mahila Bhal Bhushan, Bhal Sobhagya and Mangalya synonyms are given as it is used by women as a symbol of Suhag or Sobhagya on their forehead and hairline. Ganesh Bhushan, lap of sindoor is applied over statues of Lord Ganesha. And most important synonyms Nag Garbhaj and Nagaj, which shows its origin from Nag. What is Nag? Nag means lead. So it is originated from Nag or it have Nag within it. Before I told you that it is oxide of mercury, and now I am telling that it have lead or it is originated from lead. So this second category of synonym belongs to Nag Sindur, not to Giri Sindur. This is the intermission slide. Here is the entry of controversy. We were learning Giri Sindur very well, but suddenly a new entry. What new entry? Nag Sindur. So what is this Nag Sindur? What is relation between Giri Sindur and Nag Sindur? What are the differences For these answers, we have to move on. Next slide. Before differences, if we talk about the relation between these two, Giri Sindoor and Nag Sindoor, then according to text Ras Jal Nidhi, these are the two varieties of Sindoor. Listen carefully. I said two varieties of Sindoor, not two types of Giri Sindoor. Likewise, Anjan. We generally says that there are 5 types of Anjan, but all are different. They are placed in a common group Anjan, but all 5 varieties are different. Hope you all remember Anjan. Now comes to the differences. Giri Sindoor is also known as Ras Garbh Sindoor. Ras is Parat. So Giri Sindoor have Hg, Parat within it. Nag Sindoor is also known as Nag Garbh Sindoor. That is, it has Nag. Nag means lead. So Nag Sindoor has been placed in Updhatu Varg as per Ras Tarangani. It is considered as a Updhatu of Nag Dhatu. Nag Dhatu, lead Dhatu. Giri Sindoor is bright red in color, glazy, and contains mercury and oxygen. Glazy due to free mercury particles. Nag Sindoor is light red in color and not glazy and contains lead. Both Giri Sindoor and Nag Sindoor are available in natural and artificial form. Giri Sindoor is mercury oxide, Nag Sindoor is lead peroxide. Uses of Giri Sindoor. त्रिदोष शमनम भेदी रस बंधनम अग्रिमम देह लोहकरम नेत्रियम गिरि सिंदूर मेरितम. This is the important words of Ras Ratna Samuchay. And portion of this shloka, generally first line, is asked as MCQ, such as Ras Bandhanam Agrimam is for which dravya? So, it is best in doing Parad Bandhan. Ras Bandhanam Agrimam means best in doing Parad Bandhan to control Parad. As well as it is used for Deh Siddhi, for Ajar Amar Deh Prapti, and Loho Siddhi to convert less valuable metals to costly metals. So always remember that Giri Sindoor is the component of Sadharan Ras group due to its specific properties in Paradiya Karma, not Nag Sindoor. ठीक है? Besides these, it is Tridosh Shamak, Mal Bhedak, and beneficial to eyes. Use of Nag Sindoor. First see the lower two lines. आभ्यंतर प्रयोगो अस्य सिंदूरस्य न दृश्यते अतो बाह्य प्रयोगार्थम यत् किंचित उपदिश्यते. So Nag Sindoor is only mentioned for external application. Sinduram Shudra Kushthagnam. It is used in all Shudra Kushtha. Tvachyam, beneficial for skin. Vran Vishodhanam, for cleaning of vran. Bhagna Sandhana Jananam, Asthi Sandhanakar. Tathaiva Vran Ropanam, used in both Shodhan and Ropan of vran. Pama Vicharchika Siddhma. These are the types of Shudra Kusht. Visarp Shamanam Param, best medicine of Visarp. Visarp is a type of skin disease. You all know very well Visarp. Bhutagnam cha visheshen Raktdosh Nishodhanam. Bhutagnam, Bhut term is used for germs, bacteria, invisible killers. So, Nag Sindoor is used only for external application. Bhutagnam विशेष रूप से रक्त दोष का नाशक, नेत्रीय व्रण शोधन रोपण, त्वचीय विसर्प शामक, पामा विचर्चिका सिद्म and best medicine for रक्त दोषा and last अस्थि संधान कर. Formulations. सिंदूरादि लेप. External application of sindoor mixed with cow's ghee over eyelids relieves netra kandu and anjan namika. Paddari malhar. External application of sindoor mixed with madhu, ghrat, guggalu and gur heals the cracks of fits. Sinduradhya malhar and Sinduradhya tel are other formulations. So Sadharan Rasindoor is Giri Sindoor, but it is available in minute quantities, and practically we use Nag Sindoor for above mentioned karmas. Thank you for listening. Stay home, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.